Hello and welcome back to our video series on how to use your library card. My name is Brittany and I am the Young Adult Services Librarian at the Boyle County Public Library. Today I will be giving you a brief overview of the databases that you may use with your library card. A database is a system used to store and take care of information. The library subscribes to a number of databases that you can access with your library card. To find these databases on our website, simply choose Online Resources at the top of the home page. We have conveniently placed all of our databases on the Online Resources page of our website. When you land on the Online Resources page of our website, you will see that the databases are separated by category. We have Consumer Resources, E-Media, Find Books to Read, Genealogy and History, Homework Help, Job Skills and Resume Assistance, Learn a New Language, and Test Prep. Some of the listed databases come from the same parent database, Kentucky Virtual Library being one example, also known as KYVL. In order to access KYVL, you will need to get a password from the library. You can do that by sending us a message on Facebook or by sending an email to library@boylepublib.org. There are many options available to learn about a variety of topics through our databases. You can learn a new language with Duolingo. You can prepare to get your driver's license with a free DMV practice test. You can find your heritage using Ancestry.com. You could find your next great read using Novelist, and then use one of our e-media resources to check out that recommendation. You could also gain a new skill by using LinkedIn Learning or the Khan Academy. If you have homework and you need help, you can use Tutor.com. Let's take a look at how to use Tutor.com. This resource connects students with a live tutor for a one-on-one session to assist with schoolwork. There are many great features that Tutor.com provides, and I highly encourage you to explore them. One thing to note is that you will need to access Tutor.com via the link on our website that I just clicked. This is how Tutor.com authenticates that you are a library patron. If you are using the library's Wi-Fi like I am, then you will not need to log in and you can immediately ask your question. If you do need to log in, have your library card at hand to type in the number. Students at Danville Independent and Boyle County schools who don't have a physical library card can still use their Stack ID to access Tutor.com. Contact us at library@boylepublib.org if you need more help logging in to Tutor.com. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact us at the library.